Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Even if you let it come back to room temperature, it will still have a mealy texture. However, you can boil your potatoes in advance, because cooked, unpeeled potatoes can stay out of the fridge at least a day. Your potato salad will of course be best if you make it shortly after cooking.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cook the potatoes in gently boiling water until tender, about 15 minutes for small red potatoes, new potatoes or cubed large potatoes, and 20 to 25 minutes for quartered potatoes. You can use a fork to test to see if they are tender enough. Your fork should easily slide through the potato when they're properly cooked.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.